Please take down the mistletoe, 'cause I don't wanna think about that right now. 'Cause everything I want is miles away in a snow-covered little town. My mama's in the kitchen worrying about me. Season's greetings, hope you're well. Well, I'm doing alright if you were wondering. Lately I can never tell. I know there shouldn't be a lonely time. There were Christmases when you were mine. You were mine. Carolers singing, sleigh bells are ringing. It's that time of year. Everyone's toasting, chestnuts are roasted. Christmas time is here. Something's missing and I'm wishing that you knew how much it would mean to spend this Christmas time with you. So if you feel it coming on this special day, just trust your heart, don't let your head get in the way. 'Cause it's Christmas and the start of something new. But it's Christmas and I hope you feel it too. Candy canes and mistletoe, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, but all of it means nothing without you. Without you.
So this is Christmas, and please join in. And what have you done? Another year over. Come on then. And a new one just begun. And so this is Christmas. I hope you have fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young.
And a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let something soon warm without any tears.
And so this is Christmas. And what have you done? Another year over. And a new one just begun. And so this is Christmas. For weak and for strong. For rich and for poor.
Cuoricini che tra poco la maglia anche le vetterine.